Hello YouTube, Southeast Acker here. Hope y'all are doing well. Thought I would do something different today. Go through my, since I haven't done a prepping type video in a while, I thought I'd go through my IFAK and see if anything needs to be changed out and talk about what's in it and why everybody needs one. Alright, here we go. Zipper down here. Alright. Oh, I forgot these were in. Okay. That's where those are at. If you don't know what these are, they're tiny survival guides. They have one for first aid and one for survival. I picked these up a couple of years ago. They were like $6 on Amazon. Probably more expensive than that now. But these are just tiny little books. You unfold them. They got survival instructions and, first aid instructions, like assessing a patient, whatever. It's got all that stuff in it. And they're tiny little books. This is the survival one. Like I said, just small little books. And I got this one here. It's the foldable forager. Kind of the same way. It's got all the forageable plants, the edibles and stuff in it. Fruits, nuts, greens. So, since they were in here, figured I'd show you that. Let's see. Bandana. Bandanas are always good for lots of things. Could use, if somebody has a broke arm, you can put it up, stabilize it. Apparently my duct tape is stuck to this bag. Duct tape can be used for really good first aid tape if you don't have anything else. I'll have to replace this bag of gloves. But I got duct tape that's sticking to everything. So that's duct tape right there. These bandages are all real old, so I need to replace these. This may be a long video, y'all, but it'll be alright. I need to replace these bandages. They're getting kind of old. Let's see what else we got. This is my cat tourniquet. What in the world? This is my cat Gen 7 cat tourniquet right here. Always good to have a tourniquet. Sometimes some people say it's better to have two. I only have one in this kit. Alright, starting out over here, we have compressed gauze, Z-fold gauze or S-rolled gauze. Of course, I got a lot of these. They're just gauze rolls. More gauze rolls right here. That's what these are. Some of these look like they may need to be replaced as well. I got a big Israeli bandage or compression bandage, whatever you choose to call it. So that looks to still be good. It's still vacuum packed, so I think I'll keep that. Over here we got some sutures. There's some 5/0 silk, some 3/0 silk. These are like, they're needles. They look like fish hooks if you don't know what a suture is. And these have the thread already ready if you need to sew somebody up. Of course, you need skills for that stuff too. The way I learned how to suture is I went and bought me a couple of oranges, cut some slits in some oranges, and sewed the orange casing back together again. It's the easiest way to learn. Over here, Quick Clot. I got two of these. Quick Clot. These are just gauze bandages that have been impregnated with blood clotting agent. So instead of the powder like it used to be, these bandages come pre-soaked in the blood clotting stuff. I know not everybody that does coins is into preparedness, so I thought I would try to explain everything just a little bit. Big gauze dressings right here. That's what we got. We got a bunch of them. So these look okay. They're probably a year or two old. They'll be alright. gauze dressings. As long as the package isn't torn and everything's still sterile, they should be fine. Another S-gauze, S-rolled compression gauze. So there's 2 of those in there. Got some burn relief, burn shield. These are burn dressings. These have a burn gel impregnated into them, kind of like the Quick Clot, but these are for burns. So burn dressings, basically what those are. And we got some, we got some old Band-Aids. Yeah, there's some more of those. We need to throw them away. Right here, we got a pair of hyphen vent chest seals. And they always say that to carry these in pairs. These are for sucking chest wounds, gunshot wounds, you know, majorly. You know, the saying is if you carry a wireless hole puncher, you need to be able to plug your own hole if something happens. So you got to think entrance wound, exit wound, you got to carry 2 of these. So that's why we carry 2 of those. That's pretty much everything else, I believe. Let me check. That's everything on the inside. I got the tape strapped to it so I don't lose it. Out here on the outside, I've got my shears. These are North American Rescue, which are name brand. These are good, 7.5 shears. I've got a chem light on the outside, just in case it's nighttime, I need to see or whatever. Couple of safety pins right here. And then this right here is, I believe this is a bite and sting first aid antibiotics. It's an antibiotic gel thing. So I don't know why that wasn't on the inside. For some reason I had it stuck in here. This has a little, you know, little cross patch. And I know a lot of people, red is good for first aid kits because, you know, you need to be able to find it quick, but if you're going to be, you know, something out in the woods that you don't want to be red, you know, they make these in different colors. So I got this one here. This is not a medical kit, but I'm just talking about the pouch. So that's some EDC stuff there. On the back, I've got a, this is a climbing rated. You have to turn this before it'll open. This is a climbing rated carabiner. And on the back, there's one big safety pin on the back as well. So that's what's in my IFAK. A little quick view of what's in it. And it's good to check these things at least once a year, if not, you know, more so. To check stuff, make sure if something needs to be replaced. Of course, if you use it, you need to replace whatever you used, you know, that's a standard. But I could use some more training in first aid. Because I don't have like nasal, pharyngeal, airways. There's things in here I don't have because I don't know how to use them. So I need some more medical training, and that's some skills I could stand to get more of. So I thought I would show you all that today. Something different, but a video nonetheless. So it's good to have medical gear. Yeah, y'all know that I have fallen and broken this leg. I got a bar in my leg, and I proved it to y'all in a little short one time. But you know, I've had a bad fall, and so I've been that guy that had to be taken by ambulance to the hospital. And after that happened, you know, I really started getting woke up to, hey, I need some medical supplies here at home. Or what if there is no hospital? You know, you have to think about what ifs. So I just thought I would do that for you today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. God bless you and have a good one. Southeast Stacker, we're out.